So this video is all about ChatGPT. What is it? Yes, that's why you stopped in this video, because you want to know what it is. Well, it's really very interesting. It's artificial intelligence. Basically, it's a communication program. It's a bot that you can talk to back and forth. This video is just going to show you a small example of what it is and what it does. So watch this whole video. It's very exciting, very interesting. Let's get to the video. Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today is exciting. Yes, everyone's talking about ChatGPT. So GPT, what does it mean? Well, I Googled it right here, and it says right here what it says. It's a generative, pre-trained transformer. What does that mean? Well, basically, they pretty much program this bot to think about different languages and to respond to your questions and queries. So that's what this pretty much is. That's the rudimentary basic stuff. We don't have to get into the whole technical end of it. It's just extremely exciting. And if you don't know anything about it, definitely is a time to start learning now, because this is definitely going to be the wave of the future, and you can make a lot of money actually utilizing this tool. So what you want to do is you want to just get to your chatbot, and it's just chat.openai.com. You'd go in there and just do your credentials and get right into the system. So this is in beta mode, and it's going to different beta variations, beta 2, beta 3. I believe they're in beta 3 at this point, and it's basically backed by Elon Musk, as we all know. Very exciting information here. So what can you use this for? What's the basic idea behind this? The basic idea of this is to open up your mind more, not so much copy and paste, but use it to actually engage in some thought process, because there's so much information out there that we don't always know everything, and this helps you. Let's say, for instance, you want to look. So once you're into the system, you'll see here in the bottom, this is where you put your query right here in the bottom, you can see right here. And let's say, for instance, you want to know about specific things, like let's say an apple. Just say apple. That's all you have to do. It'll start generating something about an apple. It'll start thinking, I'm sorry, could you please provide more text clarity about Apple. Otherwise, they want to know what you mean. So this is actually interactive. It's not just basically a plug and play. Actually, it's interactive. It's intuitive. Think about that. That's pretty crazy, right? This is like the future right in front of your eyes right now. Okay, so instead of apple, let's just say I want to make an apple pie. So I'm just going to say apple pie, right? Apple pie. Okay, so now it's going to say, okay, well, now you give me some more information. Apple pie. Okay, apple pie is a dessert made by placing slices of apple in a dish. Yeah, it's going to give you the explanation about apple pie. But more than that, okay, it's going to give you all the information about this, but it's going to even do even more. It's going to give you so much information. Okay, so say say you want to learn how to make apple pie. So let's just do that. So I put in just the query, make apple pie. Okay, now it's going to say make apple pie. Now it's going to think about that. It's going to go through its massive database, make apple pie. You can need the following ingredients. Now it's giving you basically recipes. Okay, think about this, guys. Anything you want to come up with, recipes, it knows a lot. There's so many recipes out there, so it's probably pulling some information about really cool recipes. It's going to tell you how to do it, how to preheat the oven. You can make cookbooks with this. You can tweak it your way. You can add, okay, well, I don't like 2 tablespoons, I want 3 tablespoons. You can really modify this to make it yours, but this gives you some basic information that maybe you never knew about. That's the power of this crazy AI, and it's going on and on and on. It tells you all the information. I mean, check this out. It is crazy. It is actually doing this in real time right now, right in front of you. That's what this chat is all about. Okay, so ChatGPT is amazing technology. And here it is. I hope you enjoy your apple pie. So now it gave you the explanation. It tells you what it is. And now you go into, okay, I want to make apple pie. And here is the recipe. That to me is super exciting. So if you think this is really exciting, give me a thumbs up. Let me know, because I think this is absolutely sick. And you can use this in your YouTube ventures. I mean, this is what this video is about. Just give you some information. This is to give you a clue. If you're stuck and you're trying to make a YouTube video, okay, I don't know what to do it on. What's my next subject? What's the next hot thing? You can ask the AI to give you some information, some feedback, and you can talk to it. That's the scary part, okay? So like I said, apple, give me some more information. Apple pie talks about what it is. Okay, I like that. What if I want to make an apple pie? Now it gives you an actual recipe. So think about that conversation, right? You went from what apple is to an apple pie to making an apple pie. And that's the scary part of this whole thing. So you can write anything you want into this query here. It'll go back and forth. It'll ask you. It'll talk to you. You can say, give me more. So I'll say, give me more. So here's more. I'll just say more. That's all you have to say. It'll give you more information. So it's going to think about what you're saying. The last conversation, sure. Here's a few more tips for making the perfect apple pie. So think about that. So if you didn't feel confident what you saw, you can ask it more questions, and it gets deeper into the conversation. And you can do that for anything. A YouTube show, You want to talk about cars, you want to talk about anything, electronics, wireless information, anything you want to talk about. That's the power of this crazy AI. So this is fantastic, guys. So get onto this, go onto the chat.openai.com, get in there with your credentials, sign in. And you'll be amazed how much you can learn. This thing is just doing this off the cuff. So you can actually write a whole story, and it keeps going and going and just tells you about basically more information that you want to know. So it is crazy good. Guys, this is fantastic. So you can use this for your YouTube channel. You can use this to write a book. You can do this to do anything at all. This is rudimentary information. This is just a basic open AI. I absolutely loved it. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a small snippet of what this powerful program has in store for us. It's going to be amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below as well. It does help me out as always. And we're going to be doing more videos about this as it grows more and more. We're going to teach you a little bit more on how to make money with using AI. Fantastic. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. See you at the next one.